Hello, and welcome to another Blender 3D Basics video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at the rotate and scale command as it relates to our pivot point. So here I have a cannon, and as you can see, the cannons are gigantic. So we can't, we can't really use them there. We are going to scale this down. And now watch what happens when I go to scale it. It's either going to move left or right. It'll get smaller, but it's moving way out of place. That is not what I like, or not what I would like to have happen. So what I'm going to do is change my pivot point. I'm going to hit Shift S, cursor to selected. Now my cursor is centered in my object. And when I go to scale it down, it's just going to scale down and pretty much stay in position. That might be too small. Make it a little bit bigger. Slide it up. I'm not sure. Not sure if I'm liking this. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. Now, with these other cannons, I'm going to get them out of the way right now. I'm going to go to Z, A to unselect, C, widen that a little bit, and boop, just select everything. See if I can do the same thing on this one without causing too much havoc. I'm just gonna, I don't think I selected anything by accident, and I'm pretty sure I got all of the cannons, and I did. So I'm gonna hit X and delete everything. Come back over here to this guy, do C, I'm gonna select him completely, and I got some in there by accident, so I'm gonna take that out. And then I'm going to do Shift D to duplicate, and I'm just going to pull him out somewhere around there. Do Shift D again, and I'm going to pull him out somewhere around there. Now I've got three much smaller sized cannons, all pointing upwards towards the sky a little bit. And then I've got these two guys over here, which they are going to go away right now. Oh, let me select A. So nothing is selected at the moment. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to go back into solid mode, and we are going to select all of these cannons. Do it in wire mode. The reason we do it in wire mode is we can get all of the vertices in one swoop if we are using the C key. I remember when I was new to Blender, I was using the B key to kind of select everything, and that works good too. But I found that hitting the C key is a lot easier, and you'll see a lot of other people using it in their videos as well. So I want to take these cannons and duplicate them over there. So I'm going to do Shift D. I'm going to come around to the other side, Control 3. Oh, hang on. There we go. And here, this is better. Just going to pull these guys out. Okay, so now this is where the rotate command comes in. This cannon here is off center, but if I do the Shift S, cursor to selected, the cursor is going to go into the center point of the three cannons. Really, it's probably calculating off of this cannon and this cannon. And when I go to rotate, it's going to be, everything's going to be a lot smoother and everything will stay in place as well. So, but first, I think I want to move probably this cannon and this cannon simultaneously. So let's go to Z, unselect these guys for now, and select all of this guy. Uh-oh, there we go. And I'm going to just move them down. I'm just going to eye it up. I don't think this has to be perfect. And there we go. Okay, so now I need to reselect these cannons here so I can get them spinning around the right way. And in this case, it's looking like I'm gonna have to get some of that barrel, but that's okay. I'll take that out. And middle key on your mouse will get rid of the selection for you. So I'm not going to do that here. Here, I'm going to go back into this mode. Let's see. That's not working out so good for me. We'll get it. We always do. Problem is that wheel on the cannon is stuck. In the barrel. So there are other things we can do. So we are just going to hit L, and that will select that entire object for me, which is the wheel. And I think we should be free of the cannon at this point. We are. Okay, so now, not the cannon, I mean the barrel. Now we are going to select this one. Hopefully that will be easier, and it is. Okay, go back into solid. And now with my cursor off center, I'll show you what I was doing. As you can see, the barrels aren't moving, or the cannons aren't moving too swiftly. Try it again over here with this. That's better. I mean, you can make that work, but much easier to do Shift S, cursor to selected, 7, and everything just rotates. Now I get it lined up a little bit. Want to make sure before I unselect these guys. And it all looks pretty good. So I'm going to unselect these two and then move this guy away from the barrel, I think. See? Let's get him out of there. And then do L to select the whole barrel. And I just move that barrel. See again. Up. Oh, see? There we go. Now go into solid. And we can eye it up. It's a pirate ship, so like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Probably the less lined up it is, the more authentic it's going to look. So there it is. That was the rotate command in respect to the pivot point, which we set up as the 3D cursor, and also the scale command, which we also set up with respect to the 3D cursor. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and remember to subscribe. We'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.